I've always wanted to review Shingeki no Kyojin or Attack on Titan, but I was waiting for the final episode to be aired so that I could draw a final conclusion. Fortunately, this is not the end. We'll get to see the next part of the season 4 too, so there's more. I'm not gonna give any spoilers so that those people who haven't watched it yet can watch this video without any problem. The original manga is written by Hajime Isayama, and the anime is directed by the director of Death Note, Tetsuro Araki. One major point of any anime is the visualization. AOT got the highest marks here. The animation is simply breathtaking. The action sequences are so incredibly dynamic and vivid that they create adrenaline rush. The presence of graphic violence makes it more engaging. It takes the pace from the first episode. It comes with a perfect tone of color palette. Mappa Studios obviously worked pretty hard and did a good job, but Wish Studios was simply great and unbeatable. The storyline seems pretty simple and cliche in the first season, but as season 2 approaches the end and as you start to understand the politics, only then you realize the authenticity and greatness of the show. The story is very well written and remarkably planned and incredibly complex. It's completely unpredictable. The subplots are written pretty well and those are intact with main arcs. Not even a single episode is boring. The story is honest. It shows politics in a realistic way, just like something would happen in real life. How brainwashing starts from childhood to misuse the young generation. How history can be rewritten by the winners to spread propaganda and lies and cause further wars. How sometimes some crazy and illogical ideology, dishonest government, and wrong history can divide the people of same nation and opinion and belief system and make them fight with each other. And the other side just benefits from it. All of these are real life issues covered in this anime. It shows the bravery and sacrifices of the army in the greatest way possible. And that's why episode Hero got 10 out of 10 stars rating. It teaches you how to fight for your nation and never give up. It teaches you how to respect the army, and you should always try to know the real history and culture of your land, your country, your people. Attack on Titan proves once again that ignorance is bliss. But just because someone wants to run from the truth, truth won't change. Fear only comes from lack of knowledge. This anime is battling with other shows of different genre and medium like GOT, Breaking Bad, so you can assume its greatness. I mean, it's pretty popular. Not only the lead characters, even the side characters are important and vibrant. There's almost no fan service. Characters like Levi, Erwin, Eren, Zeke, Reiner, Bartolt, Mikasa, Sasha, Annie, Connie, Jean, and many more are the backbone of the anime. It's full of moral and ethical dilemmas. It's full of quotable great dialogues. And another point, there are no fillers. The soundtrack, music are so great that in times, combined with the scenes, it becomes blood pumping. That is simply epic. The opening themes are fire. So I want to rate it 9.6 out of 10 stars. And I really worked hard for this video. So if you liked my effort, then press the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, and obviously press the notification bell for further updates. Thanks for watching, and I want to say in the end, my soldiers rage, my soldiers scream, my soldiers fight. Tatakai, Tatakai.